All right, let's talk about the Unreal Tools panel. So the first thing on here is apply transform and center mesh. So think of this as just a shortcut to if you go to object, apply, and just apply stuff. And you can just select what you want to apply. And as you can see, I messed up the center point of this object. And if I just hit apply transform, it goes there. And it's perfect. Then we have center mesh, which is kind of cool too. So let's say I have something tilted like this and I want to send it to the mesh. Now it's going to pick its lowest point, drop it to the ground, and make that its center point. So that's nice. That's nice for objects that you just want to place on the ground. And then we have something called item spacing. So imagine if, let me hide all of these. I'm going to make a bunch of these. Let's say you have a bunch of objects and you want to space them out. You can use this to space them. You can change the amount of spacing. You can, say X, Y, and Z, like where you want them to start. And that's pretty cool. So the next thing, imagine you have like an object that has like a point value, right? You can use the round up and it will go to the nearest whole number. Then we have replace dot with underscore. You'll notice in the outliner, you have, when you duplicate something, it will be, whatever it's named, .001. Unreal Engine doesn't really like this. It will do some things to convert this, but if you want to clean it up in your scene, it's nice and easy. You can select all of them. Actually, no. You know what actually happens? This will actually not be based on what you select. This does the whole project. So if you just click it, you'll see that everything gets turned into an underscore instead of a period, even materials. All right. Now you have the rename batch. So this is kind of nice too. Like, let's say I have all these and they're actually pawns. Let's just pretend. Pawn. I rename object and now they get all changed to pawn 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's super cool. And then also the rename materials, what it will do is it will look at the object's name, and when you click on it, it will change it to the object's name underscore mat. And so now you got child to UCX. So this is a collision object that I made for this object. I'm going to parent it with Control P. I'm going to do object without inverse. And what's kind of nice about this is that if I hit the child to UCX, let's see here. Let me change the name of the object. So it's already named UCX underscore chess king. Let's call it something else. There we go. I hit this. Oh, wrong one. I have to hit the parent child to UCX. It will change its viewport display as a wireframe and also name it UCX underscore whatever the parent's name is. So that makes it super easy to kind of like get collisions set up inside of Blender for Unreal. Then prefix and suffix, this is pretty, self-explanatory. I can add a suffix, taco underscore. And then it adds taco underscore. And then I'm going to do underscore nacho for suffix. And there we go. And then also you can add the static mesh prefix, BP prefix. You can also remove the prefixes. So if I wanted to remove, just say how many and then remove. And then apply and organize. What this basically does is you have something selected, apply and organize. It will create a new collection with what's selected in the name of the object as the collection. And yeah, that's all for the Unreal tools.